Hello fellow crafters and welcome to maxdmcrafting. I know it's been a while, but I'm here with great progress on the White Tower and on the White Rock Castle. In this episode we will try to finish up the terrain around the tower and trust me, this is gonna be very epic. I'm planning to connect these two pieces with a stone bridge on a tumultuous river. This is gonna be like, a diorama level stuff, but also modular. I want to keep it modular. I want to keep the river, the bridge, and the tower and the White Rock Castle modular so you can combine them on the game table. Many times you asked me in the past if this piece is, modular, if you can play inside. No, it isn't. Also, the tower it's not openable. You cannot play inside. Because this is for a Warhammer actually fantasy battle, so it's like a massive piece to put on the game table. So that's it guys, let's enjoy together this fantasy journey on the crafting table. Crack on!
This year I decided to take care of all my supporters and to give away a lot of goodies. If you are one of my supporters, you will receive a reward because you are so kind with this channel. Finally, I decided to take care of my patrons. If you are consistent at least 6 months on supporting this channel, you will receive a reward. It doesn't matter your level of tier, you will receive something. Can be miniatures, piece of terrain, or other goodies that I will decide time by time. You will receive it at least once per year, maybe twice per year. So this is the perfect moment to subscribe on Patreon. Check it out, okay? Okay guys, what do you think? I think this is epic. I want to create a little but majestic stone bridge, and I need also river rapids and stuff like that. So now it's when things become very interesting. So keep following the White Rock Castle series, and I think I see you all on the next episode. Ciao!